Hello everyone, I am Aarti Kumawat pursuing my MBA from JLS University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Today I am going to present a paper on the topic, a study of organizational culture on job satisfaction in the banking sector. Introduction to the study. In the past few decades, the concept of organization culture has gained a wide acceptance as a way to understand human system. From an open system perspective, each aspect of organization culture can be seen as an important environmental condition affecting the system and its subsystems. This study tries to find out variation that prevails in bank with respect to various parameters of organization culture and job satisfaction. The objectives of the study: to analyze influence of organization culture on job satisfaction, to find out the degree of job satisfaction in the banking sector, to analyze the relationship between organization culture and job satisfaction. The flow of this research paper is research question, literature review, research methodology, data analysis, finding and conclusion. Research question: are banking employees satisfied with the organization culture? Are banking employees satisfied with your job? Does organization culture has an effect on job satisfaction of the employees? Literature review. According to Ahmed and Shakif 2014, higher the uncertainty avoidance, better will be organization performance. Results shows that companies are inclined toward collectivism, but there is also some element of competition which is an individualization. Collectivistic workers are more satisfied with their work and supervising. Nadarasa 2013, the organization culture could include the event and ceremonies, co-worker support, etc., so that the organization is not multicultural but a one which is a combination of different factors. Research methodology. The research design is descriptive. Data collection source. Primary data is collected through questionnaire and secondary data is collected from journals, reports, website, etc. The sampling plan. The sample size of the study is 100 employees. The sampling method is non-probability convenient sampling. Geographical scope is Ahmedabad city. Research instrument use is questionnaire. Statistical tool use is SPSS software. The limitation of the study is that the study is confined to Ahmedabad city only. Time and cost are the factors limiting the study to a sample of 100 employees. Many employees do not give us information, or sometimes they give us incomplete information. Analysis and interpretation of the data. The gender of employees. 59% of the employees were male and 41% of the employees were female. The age of employees. Majority of the employees falls between the age gap of 26 to 35, which is 49%. 27% of the employees fall between the age gap of 18 to 25. 46 to 60 age gap, 12%. 36 to 45 years, 12%. The designation of the employees. Executive level are 39%, middle level employees are 24%, and consumer level employees are 37%. Work experience of employee. 44% of the employees fall between the work experience of 1 to 5 years. 23% falls between 6 to 10 years. 11 to 15 years have 4%. Less than 1 year have 14%, and 16 years and above have 15%. Income of employees per month. Majority of the employees have the income between 20,000 to 40,000, which is 31%. 40,000 to 60,000, which is 29%. 0 to 20,000, which is 22%, and the remaining is 60,000 and above. Rating of the organizational culture by the employees. 53 employees agree that the behavior of managers is nice. 50 employees agree that there is a mutual trust which is between the employees and the supervisor. 42 employees strongly agree that there is a competition in the banking sector, and 38 have neutral response for high pay and high performance. This is the overall satisfaction level of organizational culture by the employees. 37% of the employees have neutral response. 31% of the employees are satisfied, whereas 29% of the employees are highly satisfied. Organizational culture have impact on job satisfaction. 88% of the employees says yes, and 12% of the employees says no. Job satisfaction level on various parameters of the employee. 48 employees are highly satisfied with the opportunities of growth. 40 employees are satisfied with the communication structure, 17 employees are dissatisfied, whereas 11 employees are highly dissatisfied by the working long hours, 29 have neutral response, whereas 19 employees are dissatisfied by the enthusiasm of the work in the organization. The overall job satisfaction of the employees: 31% of the employees are highly satisfied, 26% of the employees are satisfied, 40% have neutral response. A correlation which is conducted where null hypothesis states that there is a significant relationship between organizational culture and job satisfaction, and alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant relationship between employee organizational culture and job satisfaction. The correlation result was obtained as 0.77, which states that there is a strong positive relationship between organizational culture and job satisfaction. Thus, null hypothesis is rejected. A correlation was conducted where null hypothesis states that there is no impact of organizational culture on job satisfaction. Alternate hypothesis is there is an impact of organization culture on job satisfaction. The result obtained was 0.604, which means there is a moderate relationship between organization culture and job satisfaction. Thus, null hypothesis is rejected. Findings: in this study, 88% of the employees agrees that organization culture has an impact on job satisfaction. 29% and 31% of the employees are highly satisfied with the organizational culture and job satisfaction respectively. The study, through a regression test, shows that job satisfaction is influenced by organization culture by 60%. Remaining 40% is determined by other factors. The conclusion: we can conclude that employees are satisfied with factors like opportunities for growth, leadership style, but dissatisfaction was major amongst salaries, working long hours, and enthusiasm for the job. This clearly states that the employees are not energized to do the work, nor happy with the pay and long hours of the work. It also concludes that there is a strong positive relationship between organizational culture and job satisfaction. I have some recommendation or suggestion in this project, which are: the organization should focus on framing policies and procedures, keeping in mind the satisfaction of the employees, because if the employees are satisfied, it will have an impact on organizational brand. The enthusiasm for job, salaries, working long hours, where the parameters are where the employees are highly dissatisfied with. HR should take these points into consideration and solve the problem. Thank you.